In this video, I will show you how to download and install Dota 2 on your computer. First, go to Google and type download Steam. Click on the first option here. Then you will want to click on the install Steam button here, which is usually in green color. Now click on the blue button. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and begin the installation process for Steam. Once the installation is complete, launch the Steam app, wait for updates to finish, and you will now be prompted to sign up for an account. Go through the process and you will officially be on the Steam launcher. From there, click on the search bar here and type in Dota 2. The game will show up below, but because I already have it installed previously, it doesn't show up here. Now, when you click on Dota 2, it will take you to the game profile section. You can now click on the install button to set it up. You need about 70 gigabytes to install the game. Wait for the download to complete, and it will take some time depending on your internet download speed. Once it is complete, you will see a green play button. Click on it and you will be able to start playing Dota 2 on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching.